If you ever is going to change your indicator bulbs for LED bulbs, you will get this problem. Hyper flashing. It goes way too fast. So what we need to do is to change this one. And if you buy one from eBay like this, they will not work. I have now ordered a couple of relays from China, eBay or Amazon. Looks like this, and they are not working. But after some fiddling, I figure out what was wrong with them, because they are working. You need to modify them. Let me show you. This relay I have already modified. So let's see how that works. Here you can see, working excellent. Also the emergency, of course. And this one also has an LED, so you can see it blinking. This one, it's a little cheaper build, no LED, but it's only go one way around, so, but this one not working, completely dead. Also indicator, nothing. So what do we need to do to fix this? To do the modification, it is really quite simple. If you remove them, let's see what I have done with the first one. They look pretty similar, but the difference is on the back side. This one is upside down. So what I have done, I have soldered the circuit board off, flip it off, taken out the pin and flip it around. So let's do the same with this one. I will solder out the pins, flip the pins around and solder it back on. That's why this one has a red wire that goes from the top pin and into the circuit board. And here we go. Circuit board off, and this one. Then we need to remove the pin so we can flip them upside down. So pin removed, and then you can insert them the other way. Okay, we need to make a groove in the plastic because the circuit board is supposed to be in this recessed. Here there are no recessed. This one was a little easier because it was a different layout. Okay, that should do it. You need to solder a small wire inside here. First, I managed to put the wire through. Yep, let's solder it. And here we go. That looks like this. No, I think it should be okay to insert. Yep. And there we go. Should look something like this. Then these two are looking the same. No, let's go and try it in the car again. And let's hope they will work. Snap. This one. Snap. Into the car. Okay, back in the car. Now, moment of truth. Will the new one work? Let's hope so. Let's see. One way around, this way around. And here we go. And indicator. Look at this. This one has no LED, so you can't see any indication, but you can hear it. Yep. And also emergency. Let's see how that looks when you take it outside. And there we go. Amazingly nice, eh? Just fantastic. Then we switch off and back to the other one I have with the little LED on. Okay, it's a different sound, different frequency. Yes. Let's see. Back to this one. Yes, this one is a little faster. You can hear it. During the editing of this clip, I discovered something. There are two types of these relays on eBay. Note the number of them. This one is number CF14. I have bought CF13. 13 will not fit the vanagons. 14 will. Just watch this. So let's remove the original relay, or the first one I've got, which I have modified, and insert this one. This is, what is it called? CF14. And let's see what's happening. There we go. And putting on the ignition. And voila. Indicating. You can hear the sound. Excellent, eh? And of course everything works. If we take a look, look at that. It if you listen to the sound, then you do the only one way, and to the emergency, it's go noticeable slower in emergency than if you do just one way. This is the left, this is the right, and then back again to emergency. Okay, let's test that with this relay as well. Let's see if we got the same result. Okay, indicating with this one, and then emergency. No, this is the same frequency on both. Okay, so it's definitely some of the things inside there that react to the load. But anyway, but at least now we know that this CF14 is working for the vanagon, not the CF13 or this other relays that was clear plastic like this one, because they are probably CF13 wired inside. So CF14 is working excellent. Then that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.